Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever thought about the incredible healing power of plants? We're constantly surrounded by natural remedies just waiting to be discovered. Today we're diving into the world of guava leaf tea, a potent elixir that has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries. Get ready to learn about 9 common diseases that this amazing tea can help combat. We'll break down the science behind its benefits and even show you how to brew your own cup right at home. Diabetes is a condition that affects millions worldwide, impacting their daily lives and overall health. Managing diabetes often involves a combination of medication, diet, and lifestyle changes. But what if I told you that a simple cup of guava leaf tea could make a difference? This traditional remedy has been gaining attention for its potential health benefits. Studies have shown that guava leaf tea can play a role in managing blood sugar levels. Researchers have been delving into the properties of guava leaves, uncovering their potential to aid in diabetes management. The compounds in these leaves act naturally to help regulate how your body absorbs sugar, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood glucose levels. These natural compounds can help slow down the absorption of sugar in your intestines, leading to more balanced blood sugar levels. Promoting healthier blood glucose control can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. Imagine being able to enjoy more stable energy levels throughout the day and reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications. Imagine the impact this could have on your life, helping you manage your diabetes more effectively and potentially reducing your reliance on medication. Incorporating guava leaf tea into your daily routine could be a simple yet powerful step towards better health. While guava leaf tea shows promise, it's important to remember that it should complement, not replace, your current treatment plan. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your regimen. Your doctor can provide personalized advice based on your unique health needs and ensure that any new additions to your routine are safe and effective. By working together with your healthcare team, you can explore natural options like guava leaf tea to enhance your diabetes management strategy. So, why not give guava leaf tea a try? It's a simple, natural way to support your health and well-being. With the right approach, managing diabetes can become a more manageable part of your life. Dealing with diarrhea can be incredibly uncomfortable and disruptive to your daily life. Guava leaves possess powerful antibacterial properties that can target the harmful bacteria often responsible for diarrhea. These natural antibacterial agents work to fight off the infection, providing much-needed relief from those unpleasant symptoms. So, the next time you're feeling under the weather, consider reaching for a soothing cup of guava leaf tea to help settle your stomach and get you back on track. High cholesterol is a serious health concern, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Guava leaf tea has been found to have a positive impact on cholesterol levels. It works by reducing the levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad cholesterol, which can build up in your arteries. By incorporating guava leaf tea into your routine, you can take proactive steps towards improving your heart health and lowering your risk of cardiovascular complications. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key, and this tea can be a valuable addition to your overall wellness plan. Boost your metabolism and lose weight with guava leaf tea. For those on a weight loss journey, guava leaf tea can be a fantastic ally. This natural beverage is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits that can support your weight loss efforts. Guava leaves contain powerful compounds, such as antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents, that can help boost your metabolism. Your metabolism is like the engine of your body, driving the process of burning calories and converting food into energy. By increasing your metabolic rate, guava leaf tea may aid in weight management by helping your body burn calories more efficiently. This means that even while you're at rest, your body is working harder to burn off those extra calories. Imagine enjoying a delicious cup of tea while knowing that it's working behind the scenes to support your weight loss goals. The soothing aroma and taste of guava leaf tea can also help reduce stress, which is often a hidden culprit in weight gain. Remember, consistency is key, so make guava leaf tea a regular part of your routine. Incorporate it into your daily habits, perhaps as a morning ritual or an evening wind-down. Pairing this with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains will amplify the benefits. Additionally, regular physical activity is crucial. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a more intense workout, Exercise complements the effects of guava leaf tea by further boosting your metabolism and promoting overall health. It's also important to listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. Adequate sleep and stress management play significant roles in maintaining a healthy metabolism. Consider practices like meditation, journaling, or simply taking time to relax with a cup of guava leaf tea. Sharing this journey with friends or loved ones can also be motivating. Enjoying guava leaf tea together can be a delightful way to bond and support each other's health goals. So why not invite a friend over for a tea session and share the benefits of this wonderful beverage? In conclusion, guava leaf tea is more than just a drink. It's a companion in your journey towards better health and weight management. By making it a part of your daily routine, along with a healthy diet and regular exercise, you can boost your metabolism and work towards your weight loss goals effectively. Cheers to a healthier you. Soothe cold and flu symptoms with guava leaf tea. Cold and flu season can really knock you down, but guava leaf tea can be your secret weapon for finding relief. When the weather turns chilly and the sniffles start, it's time to turn to nature's remedy. Guava leaf tea is not just a comforting warm drink, it's a powerhouse of health benefits that can help you bounce back quicker. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, this tea helps strengthen your immune system, providing an extra layer of defense against those pesky viruses. The leaves of the guava plant are rich in vitamin C, which is known to boost immunity. Additionally, they contain flavonoids and other compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making this tea a potent ally in your fight against colds and flu. It also acts as a natural decongestant, helping to clear up stuffy noses and ease those uncomfortable cold symptoms. The steam from the tea can help open up your nasal passages, making it easier to breathe. Plus, the warm liquid soothes a sore throat and can help reduce coughing. Imagine the relief of sipping on a hot cup of guava leaf tea while feeling the congestion melt away. So the next time you feel a cold coming on, brew yourself a warm cup of guava leaf tea and let its soothing properties work their magic, helping you feel better faster. Not only will you enjoy the delicious taste, but you'll also be giving your body the support it needs to fight off illness. Whether you're at the first sign of a cold or in the midst of flu symptoms, guava leaf tea can be a comforting and effective remedy. So wrap yourself in a cozy blanket, sip on this healing tea, and let nature's goodness help you recover. Guava leaf tea, your secret to a healthier smile. Maintaining good oral hygiene is crucial for overall health, and guava leaf tea can be a valuable addition to your routine. The antibacterial properties in guava leaves extend to your mouth, helping to combat bacteria that can lead to bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. Regularly rinsing with guava leaf tea can promote a healthier oral environment, leaving your breath fresher and your smile brighter. It's like a natural mouthwash that not only cleanses but also offers additional health benefits. Achieving healthy, glowing skin is a goal for many, and guava leaf tea can be a game changer in your skincare routine. The anti-inflammatory properties of guava leaves can work wonders in soothing skin irritations, reducing redness, and calming acne breakouts. It's like a natural elixir for your skin, helping to restore its natural balance and radiance. Incorporate guava leaf tea into your daily regimen and experience the transformative effects it can have on your complexion, leaving you with healthier, more vibrant skin. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that guava leaf tea may play a role in cancer prevention. The powerful antioxidants found in guava leaves have been shown to combat free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and potentially contribute to cancer development. By neutralizing these harmful free radicals, guava leaf tea may help protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Remember, a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding smoking is crucial for cancer prevention. A healthy heart is essential for overall well-being, and guava leaf tea can be a valuable ally in maintaining cardiovascular health. It has been shown to help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. By relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow, guava leaf tea can contribute to a healthier circulatory system. Incorporating this tea into your routine, along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, can support your heart health and reduce your risk of cardiovascular problems. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And hit the bell for more health and wellness inspiration. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.